Three Postgres types that look simple but hide real gotchas: Boolean, Enum, and UUID. By the end, you will know exactly what to flag in a pull request. Boolean is the simplest. 1 byte, 3 states including null. Enum trades flexibility for compactness and a built-in sort order. UUID gives you globally unique identifiers at 16 bytes, far cheaper than storing them as text. Internally, an enum value is just a 4-byte object identifier pointing to a row in the PG_enum catalog, which carries its sort position. A UUID is 16 raw bytes, never the hyphenated text string you see in SQL output. The classic mistake is trying to rename or remove an enum label in a live system. Postgres has no drop value. You must create a new type, migrate every column, and drop the old one. Reviewers should flag any migration that assumes otherwise. Notice that sorting by status follows declaration order, not alphabetical order. The past open column uses greater than on enum values directly. And PG_column_size confirms the UUID column stores exactly 16 bytes, while casting to text produces a 36-character string. 3 things to remember. Boolean should be not null with the default. Enum changes that remove or rename values require a full rebuild, and UUIDs belong in a UUID column, never in varchar. Spot those 3 and you will catch most data type mistakes at review time.